Hey guys, what's up, PokéTubers? Today we're opening a booster pack, Crown Zenith. Let's get right into it. Let me do the card trick. Alright. Energy, Leiron, Friends Insano, Gloom, Bidoof, Coughing, Salandit, Purlon, Grubbin. Oh my god, we got Adaman. Look at the art on that, guys. That's an insanely really good card. I'm really happy right now. Look at that. And then, oh my god, what is that? Never seen the card before. That's a nice pull too. Oh my god, that's a good pack. Thank you you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I try to open a booster pack every few days, so please keep subscribe.